Already completed your 8-hour classroom course? This bundle gets you the rest of the way, a private driving lesson and your road test at the next street, all in one package. Here's how it works. You'll start with a 2-hour private lesson with one of our certified instructors, one-on-one in a dual-controlled next street vehicle. Your session focuses on the fundamentals: parking maneuvers, acceleration, braking, turning, traffic flow, and defensive driving. Once your lesson is complete, you'll take your official Connecticut road test right at our location. The DMV examiner comes to us. You test in our car. We manage all the paperwork and coordination. So no DMV lines, no confusion, just focused preparation and a test in a calm, familiar environment. To qualify for this bundle, you must have a valid Connecticut's learner's permit and must have already completed an 8-hour safe driving course through a licensed Connecticut driving school, whether that's with us or elsewhere. You must also have held your permit for the required minimum time, 90 days for adults 18 and older, or 180 days for teens 16 and 17. If you completed a full 30-hour driver education program, the teen wait time is reduced to 120 days. Per DMV regulations, you must complete the 2-hour lesson at least 5 days before your test date. Driving lessons are available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Road tests are held Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. All scheduling is handled through your student portal. If you completed your 8-hour course with the Next Street, we'll automatically issue and upload your EDEC the night before your test. If you completed it elsewhere, you'll need to provide proof before scheduling. Note, DMV testing fees are not included. The Next Street, the easiest road to your license.